Hey, how's it going? My name is William. And today I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Matsato knife before you think about buying one, and trust me, there are two things you really need to know first, so stick around, because this will help you avoid wasting money or getting scammed. First, this is super important. There are a lot of fake knives out there being sold as Matsato. Same look but terrible quality. Poor steel, weak handle, no durability. It's a totally different thing. So if you're thinking about getting a real Matsato, only buy it from the official website. I'll leave the link down below in the description and also pinned in the comments. That way you know you're getting the legit product, not some cheap knockoff. Alright, now let's talk about what the Matsato knife actually is. This is a Japanese-style chef knife, but it's not just for fancy kitchens. It's made for real use, whether you're cooking at home, out camping, grilling by the lake, or chopping firewood on a hike. It's crafted with high-carbon stainless steel, which makes it super sharp, resistant to rust. And honestly, it just feels solid. The handle is made of beechwood with a smart, ergonomic design that gives you control and grip even when your hands are wet or greasy. I've personally used the Matsato knife for a bunch of different things: cutting meat, slicing veggies, prepping stuff outdoors, and even small woodwork at camp. And let me tell you, it performs. It cuts smooth, holds its edge for a long time, and just feels really balanced in your hand. Plus that little finger hole in the blade, game changer for precision. So yeah, it works, and honestly, it's better than a lot of overpriced knives I've tried. Here's a quick breakdown of what I love most about it: razor sharp blade that stays sharp for a long time, ice tempered, steel stronger and more durable, full tang construction. The blade runs through the whole handle, which adds strength. Beautiful design that actually gets compliments. Great for indoors or outdoor use, perfect for camping, BBQ, fishing, or the kitchen. Another thing that gave me peace of mind when ordering it comes with a satisfaction guarantee. Depending on the offer, it could be 30 days. My final advice: if you're into cooking, grilling, camping, or just want a quality knife that doesn't disappoint, Matsato is 100% worth it. Just be smart about where you buy it. Go for the official site. Use it right and set real expectations. Remember, it's a tool, not magic, but if you treat it well, it'll probably be the last knife you'll need for a long time. I hope this review helped you out. Again, the official Matsato website link is in the description and in the comments. Check it out, especially while they're still offering up to 70% off. It's a pretty solid deal for what you get. And hey, if you've got any questions, feel